Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name is Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Chicken Alfredo, which is a twist on the classic Alfredo pasta dish. Really simple to make, few ingredients, but you'll get this in no time. So everything that you will need is here. If you didn't catch those ingredients, they will be in the info box below, so do check out there. So I've also got some chicken breasts from the butcher shop. Down there on the right hand side of the screen there's a little watermark, hover over that, click subscribe so you do find out when I'm going to release my next video, which will be really soon. In the meantime, we're going to crack on and we're going to make the chicken Alfredo pasta. It's going to be amazing. So take 2 chicken breasts, cut these in half lengthways and chop these up really fine. Once they're all chopped up, add these to your bowl, grab some spinach leaves, pick off the stalks out of the leaves and grate 50 grams of Parmesan cheese, just like this. So light your stove, put a frying pan onto your stove and add your oil. Light a second burner on your stove and add a saucepan and fill your saucepan up with boiling water. Add your chicken to the frying pan and mix that through. Stir it until it's cooked through and it looks like this. Add in 100 ml of cream, wait till that thickens slightly. Now's the time to add your pasta into your saucepan, give that a nice stir and add your creme fraiche to your frying pan and stir that through. Once that's bubbling, add in your Parmesan cheese and stir that, wait till it's nice and thick and add in your basil pesto. Stir that through. Once it's all stirred through like this, you want to add in your spinach leaves. So stir your spinach leaves into your mix. Once that's all done, take your saucepan off of the stove and strain that throughout your sink. Be really careful because boiling water will burn you. Gently shake off all of the water through your pasta. Stir your pasta through your chicken Alfredo mix, give that a toss in your frying pan and voila, it's all ready. Season with some pepper, get a bowl, take your frying pan off of your stove and what you want to do is you want to twist the pasta in between your tongs and stack it up. So just like this, ready, twist and stack. Lovely, looks absolutely delicious. So get a tomato, chop that up small, sprinkle this all over the top to make it look pretty. Get some Parmesan cheese, grate that over the top and voila, you have one bowl of delicious Chicken Alfredo pasta. So yeah guys, that's how you make a Chicken Alfredo with fresh basil pesto. So good, so worth the time and the effort. I mean look at it, it looks absolutely delicious. Anyway guys, I'm going to tuck into this now, but you take care of yourselves. Do remember hit that subscribe button, do remember to hit that bell button so you do know when I'm going to release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, take care of yourselves and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Oops.